Hello, in this recording, we're going to look at how to find duplicate rows in SuccessFactors downloaded files. So it could be MDF data, pay ranges, foundation objects, um, lookup tables in compensation, ad hoc reports, or any kind of report from stories, people analytics. So we can get a file like this, and as we can see, this is a compensation lookup table. And the first thing, before we even build the rules to find the duplicate values on this, so for example, we would like to see, okay, is there any other combination of these four criteria anywhere else in this Excel document? Um, so the first thing we want to do is make sure that we remove or replace what Excel considers a wildcard, which is a wildcard for us to in SuccessFactors, the asterisk here. So what we want to do is select all four columns that we are going to use in our with our functions to detect duplicate rows, and we're going to do a Control F and then find and replace. And what's really important is to add the sign, the tilde sign, before the asterisk. Otherwise, it will not work, and the whole thing will render, give us wrong values. So it's really important. This step is really important. And then replace it with all, for example, or something unique, something that you know is not a value in any of the attributes. And then click on replace all. That's all we got to do. Made 109 replacement. Okay, now we're ready to go. So we can't really use the function of Excel called conditional formatting duplicate values if we want to compare the unique values on rows directly, so a combination of values row by row. So what we got to do is just do a concat, and we're going to select the four columns we want, and then simply, so click enter, and then simply click at the bottom here and expand all the way down. Once we have this, then we can add a filter on the first row and do sort by color, or sorry, first conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, duplicate values, and then select which filling we want or which layout. And then this will highlight for us in red all the values that are duplicate. Oh, I should have selected the column first. Duplicate values only, conditional formatting only works if we select the whole column. So do it again here. Okay, and then I can filter by color. And this gives me all of the duplicate values here. And this can be very useful when troubleshooting pay range issues, or when we're unable to import a lookup table into compensation, when we have too many entries in MDF objects due to integration center, for example, that brings redundant information into our object. So this I use a lot. Yeah. Thanks.